Hey again. I am not going to do the intro like last time because I am lazy. It's hard editing word by word, you know. Anyways, I am making a Lego water dispenser. It kinda worked. I don't know. You guys tell me. Let's get started. First I am making the main mechanism of the machine. The water dispenser. Now this mechanism is created by other people, not me. So shout out to the other people who created this. You guys are so smart. What you need to do is put a big hole in the cap of the bottle. I don't have a drill, so it was pretty hard for me to make a big hole. Here's a tip for cutting small holes. After making a decent hole, using nail clippers can actually cut holes pretty well. You need to find a stick-type Lego and stick 2 Lego through the hole in each side. Remember that 2 Legos need to be bigger than the hole but smaller than the cap so it won't slide out nor get stuck. Oh, I have beaten my record from last time. I said hole 6 times in a minute. Anyways, let me think how it works. When the bottle is flipped upside down, the gas pressure inside the bottle is greater than outside. So the water can't leak out. But when the thing is pushed in, it creates an opening for the air to go into the bottle. Gas pressure decreases, and water comes out of the hole. I learned that in my science class. I know. I do pay attention in class. Now I am making the lever. I got these Legos from the diving board in the Lego and Friends set. And the rubber part acts like a spring, for the lever to push back in its own place. This is the seesaw part which makes the lever moves. When the lever is pushed down, the lever will also push the thing that makes the water leaks out. So the water will leak out. Now is the most boring part. The body of the build. I tried to cut away as many unuseful stuff out. So you can save time watching other more interesting videos. Let me tell you another joke that I found online. Can a kangaroo jump higher than a tower of Lego bricks? Of course! Exclamation point. A tower of Lego bricks can't jump. That is just stupid, but true. You can skip to this time if you want to see me trying this machine for the first time. You didn't skip. Wow, you must be so bored. Here is me trying the machine for the first time. When you flip it over, some water will leak out, so be careful. It does come out slow in the beginning. Here's what it looked like in the front. Here's the angle of the whole machine. This is in normal speed. This is 2 times the speed. The water does get stuck sometimes, but all you have to do is push it again. But don't push it all the way up because that will decrease the speed. Hope you like this video. Please give me some suggestions because I have nothing to make. I'll see you next time, I guess.